Hello and welcome to our MAGURA video workshop. In this video I will show and explain how to shorten the hoses of our MT disc brakes. Most importantly, you should always push the pistons completely apart before opening a hydraulic system using either the transport device or via careful use of a screwdriver. We recommend turning the lever vertical on the handlebar and, provided the length of the hose allows it, to cut the hose approximately 10 cm from the lever using the MAGURA hose cutter. Take care to fix the hose connecting to the caliper securely to avoid spillage of oil when the hose flips around. Now slide off the protective cap and unscrew the sleeve nut holding the hose. Take the short rest of the hose out carefully. This way, a proper filling of the master cylinder is achieved and re-entering of air into the system is prevented. Now cut the hose to the desired length. We recommend doing this with the lever still turned upward. This way, the hose will be long enough to account for a bit of leeway in case bars and/or stems should be changed. Again, take special care when cutting the hose to prevent it from flipping around and spilling oil. It is very important to always equip our high-pressure hoses with a new insert to ensure a correct fit of the hose to the master cylinder. Hold the hose using two transport devices and a mole wrench or a vise and present the insert in with a plastic hammer until it sits flush with the hose. Now put the protective cap, the sleeve nut and a new olive back onto the hose, checking for correct orientation of these parts. Then push the hose firmly into the lever housing, slide the olive and the sleeve nut into place, and tighten the sleeve nut by hand in order to prevent damage to the thread. Tighten the sleeve nut by using an 8 mm open-ended wrench. Take care that the hose remains firmly inserted into the lever housing during this process. Finally, tighten the sleeve nut to the required torque. Control correct fit and oil tightness by pulling on the hose and the brake lever. Another indicator is the thread of the sleeve nut. This should vanish completely into the master housing. Visible thread is a sure sign of an incorrect mounting position. Now slide the protective cap back on, turn the lever into the desired riding position and fix it by tightening the clamp nut to the correct torque. More information and further videos explaining bleeding procedure, accessories and the like for our MAGURA MT disc brake range can be found on www.magura.com.